People used to say garbage in, garbage out with regards to the data that you prepare for artificial intelligence. I don't agree with that completely, and I'll tell you why. First of all, artificial intelligence is great in digging into garbage of data and finding patterns. So not all data that we want to process through artificial intelligence model needs to be perfectly structured. And that's very good message for all of us because most data in companies, or at least 50%, 40% of data in the companies are in a unstructured way, like meeting notes, tracking loads, like manufacturing logs and things like that are not properly structured all the time. So artificial intelligence is good in looking into structured and unstructured data. And in unstructured data, it can find patterns. It will take us many hours to define. That's the third thing. So the second thing is, even if that unstructured data, we might help us to bring some structure. And I want to tell you now about one of the case study I'm working on now for my customer, one of the use case, working for my customer. Imagine you have 300, 400 pages of technical documentation describing how to properly install and mount garage doors. That's a lot of images, pictures. Some of them are done literally, say, with iPhone. Some of them are professionally taken. Some of them are technical images and drawings. Some of them are just somebody went into the garage, snap a picture as an example of what not to do. That kind of things create unstructured bucket of data. Artificial intelligence can bring a lot of structure and pattern out of that. That's why I said at the beginning that garbage in, garbage out doesn't apply, in my opinion, anymore to artificial intelligence, because we cannot say that this kind of unstructured data is completely a garbage that artificial intelligence is not going to use, so we cannot deliver any value of that. That's not true. At the same time, if we put headlines H2, H3, H4, properly describe what is on an image, do an image properly crafted in a presentation, make a great photograph of what we see, that will help AI to find even better patterns and deliver even more analysis and insights at the higher quality. That's what I'm saying. Garbage in and garbage out doesn't apply anymore because we can deliver garbage to AI. But if we somehow structure that garbage, that would be great. It's something like selecting things we are a waste coming out of our house, like paper, plastic, and organic things. It's still a garbage in those bags, but when they are like separated, it's easier for us to throw this one to one waste bin and the second one to the second waste bin. The same applied to AI. If you somehow structure the garbage, the AI will deliver better example, better insight, better output than if you just throw the garbage there. But even in this situation, we can still get a lot of value out of it.